Hey everyone, this is Shai with you, and I wanted to quickly talk to you about a new feature which we have in our market profile charts, which is the Anchored VWAP, which you can see directly on a market profile chart. Now, this white reference line, which is sloping down right now, is the Anchored VWAP, and the chart we're looking at is of the Nifty Futures. Now, to add this directly onto your market profile chart, as I've added over here, you need to quickly go down into your settings, which is in the top right. And if you click on the settings option, you would get a screen like this. You scroll down. So all the instruments are already there in your user settings. And if you scroll down, you would see this option within a volume profile where you can add right over here. You can have all these NPOC KRLs, custom KRLs, overlap KRLs added. Just tick all of them to blue and save settings. I've already done that, and you should have this option enabled. So you go back into your market profile. You go back into your market profile charts now. And now you're good to add all your custom KRL. So what I've done on this chart is I've drawn the anchored VWAP of the highs of the 1st of Jan from where this down move began. So as you can see, this is my anchored VWAP sloping down. This is the 2 standard deviation of that VWAP, and price currently is trading right at the anchored VWAP level. Right, so you do this, you now have to right click on any chart except the last one. You'll have this option of create custom KRL, which is the second one from the bottom up. And you press anchored VWAP, and if you want the 2 standard deviation bands, you do that as well. You add a description such that you can identify it off the tooltip later. Anything would do here. I'll just put AV, which is anchored VWAP, and you have to choose the date. In my case, I've chosen the date of 1st of Jan 2024. You can leave this end date blank, or if you feel that the move has run out, you can put the date as the date when that move ran out. You have a styling option over here. You can choose, I prefer to go with a thick line. You can choose any color of your choice such that it stands out on your chart, and you click save and your anchored VWAP comes on screen. Now, I've traded a lot with anchored VWAPs, and I know its utility. And every time a new move is beginning, it's best to plot it directly off on a chart, such that where the move can go to, or where you can have an option of the move ending or a new beginning. Right, so a couple of things to bear in mind about the anchored VWAP. When price starts trading above the anchored VWAP and the move is a down move, expect short covering. And when price starts trading below an anchored up below an anchored VWAP and the previous move was an up move, that means okay, you can expect long liquidation. So these are good points to mark on directly on your market profile charts, and you can okay open up an order flow chart to see if there is evidence of that short covering beginning over there. Right, so I leave you to it. Anchored VWAPs now on all market profile charts at charts.vtrender.com. Have a look at it, and it's a useful feature to have added onto your profile charts.